Hello, everyone. Welcome to PW. Good evening, everyone. Please let me know by writing in the comment section whether audio and video everything is perfect for you. Okay, so today we are going to give the information of your GATE 2026 batch F. Most of you have already joined, wanted to understand, sir, where are we will get the classes and what is the way of approach towards the classes we have to opt, whether you are from ECE or EE, okay, or IN student. So for Parakram batch F, that is your GATE 2026 batch, I'm going to give you a complete detail. Along with me, Sonu sir is there, and Sonu sir will discuss you how and what is the way of approach a student need to opt for this batch to complete on time and to get maximum rank possible in GATE 2026. So please observe here with me. Sonu sir is there. Most of the students are still thinking about Parakram batch. So Sonu sir, student first thinks that whether the time is sufficient for Parakram 2026 or not, because the syllabus is very large. So if someone is starting with this batch, what is the way of approach he need to opt, and the time is sufficient or not? Over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Actually, when I was just started for preparing GATE in 2012, 11, 12, so I started GATE preparation on 29th August. I remember that date, and I have completed my syllabus on time. So if you have a determination, a strong determination, you can easily approach your goal. You can easily approach your career goal, what you want. But you have some determination also. If you don't have determination that much, then you cannot achieve, because this span of time is little bit less or not more, but it is in between that. If it is after September, if you will ask, I will say it will be very less, and before May you will ask, it will be sufficient time. But this even is the average time, and if you want to crack the gate with good marks and good score, so you have to work very hard. You have to plan something. You have to go through the planning which we have given. We will give you through this planner. So through that planning you have to go. You have to go to select the time for the test series. You have to select the time for revision. You have to set the time for numerical practice. You have to set everything goal. If I have completed network 3, so I have to do some questions of network 3, this much questions, minimum 200 questions. If I have completed control system, I have to do 200 questions. So this much you want, and this this much planning you need for that to complete the syllabus. From my point of view, this is important, and I'm going for Varun sir. He
So,
will tell you
Sir
something.
already told you that it is possible for every student who is preparing for GATE 2026. Yes, the time is sufficient, but a particular strategy is needed if you are planning for just in 6 or 8 months to get a good rank. Okay, so strategy is needed. And one more thing, since you started running in the race in the last, so you need to run little bit faster. Conclusion is you need to go with some more classes, and you have to put some extra time or efforts over the question practicing. Okay, so these two things are required. Your attention is needed. From my point of view, 4 to 5 months is sufficient for GATE exam, but only possible if your dedication level is very high. Already it is mentioned by the Sonu sir. So I'm again going to tell you one very important thing about Parakram 2.2. Yes, one new batch. This is your batch F, English batch, electronics batch. Even if some students are still planning, then they can enroll themselves in this batch, okay? Because this batch is going to start very soon. I'm going to discuss each and everything, entire top to bottom. Our plan sheet is in this orientation session. The price is reduced. It is just 7,200. The same batch is available for the electrical also. So electrical and electronics batch is available. Now let's talk about batch features. So what we are going to give in the batch. Okay. Please see, this batch, for this batch is the candidates who is preparing for GATE 2026. If someone is planning to take this batch, Be ensured that whether you are enrolling for this year 2000 for 2026 paper or for 2027 paper. If you are in second year or you are in third year, then third year is okay. But if you are in second year, then instead of going with the Parakram, it will be better to wait for the Shrestha batch. Okay. Now, prerequisite lectures are required, like for machine, if you are going with the machine, some important network concept is needed. So that prerequisite is already given to you in the recorded form. Only you have to go through the particular lecture. Okay. And this batch, we are going to start from scratch. So it is not needed to you have to prepare very well, you have to go through the number of additional classes before watching our lectures. It is not required. We are going with a scratch, so you will be comfortably able to understand all the topics. Some basic is required, which is already we are going to provide you in a recorded form, just 2 to 3 hours or 4 hours. Okay. Lecture planner is uploaded in the batch notice section. I will show you where you will get the lecture planner, where you will get the classes, how you will get the classes, scheduling, or everything. Okay, all the information where you have to connect, each and everything we are going to discuss you. MCQ, MSQ, and NAT type, because this year IIT Guwahati is planning, and for electronics student, it is my prediction. Maybe someone have some different prediction that Guwahati will create a for ECE batch little bit tough, and for electrical paper is little bit moderate. As per the past history, I'm just it is just my perception. Okay, may or may not be, but it is just my perception. NAT type questions are going to increase. There is a greatest advantage of NAT, no negative marking, and the biggest disadvantage of NAT, since there is no options, so you can't like predict your whether you have solved the question correctly or not. So no negative marking is an advantage, but the disadvantage is since the options are not there. So if you do some calculation mistake, you will be unable to identify if none of the above answer is coming. You will be able to analyze that my somewhere I am doing some mistake. So you will recalculate, but that in NAT is not possible. So this is the disadvantage. Number of NATs are going to increase, and our lecture will completely filled with NAT, MCQ, MSQ, and also those pinpoints which can be like in GATE 2026 we are predicting can be impact your GATE rank. Okay, so we are going to take those kind of questions in the batch also. Live and recorded lectures by the faculties. Topic-wise DPP will be provided. This is practice sheets which you need to solve by yourself. Doubt engine. So I am going back to Sonu sir. Sir, mostly students think what happens if the doubt will come? How I will resolve the doubt in an online class? So this is the most important part, how you will resolve a doubt in an online class. So please Sonu sir, highlight it on this. Hello? Sonu sir, your mic is off, I think.
Yes, sir.
About the doubt engine, sir, how the student will going to handle the doubt?
So doubt engine through they can handle the doubt by through which the some SME subject matter expert they will give you the answer, or sometimes faculty will give you the answer, and you can put the doubt on the app. Through app you can put the doubt, and then after you can get the solution of your doubt, or you will send your doubt to in some specific Telegram channel. Means Varun sir PW or Sonu sir PW channel. You can join Telegram channel and you will get the doubt clearance. Okay, and then after detailed analysis of a student's self-evaluation after test is also important. So it will be given on the app. If you give the test series or weekly test, the self-evaluation will be given, and you can approach that how your preparation is going on. Okay. Next thing is yearly planner. Yearly planner we have given some electronics and communication I will tell you, and for electrical sir will explain you electrical for electrical branch. First, network 3 is starting from 20 August of 20th October. So it is started date is 20th August to 20th October and 7 a.m. in the morning. So it is very beautiful time. In the morning you will get good concept subject. Network 3 it is basic subject, and EDC is also basic subject, because basic subject is required for build the other subject to know the other subject. So EDC is very helpful for analog electronics understanding. Network 3 is very helpful for analog electronics understanding, and digital electronics, it is a basic subject. Then after communication system and signal system, I think signal system will come before communication system. So communication system is also important. It is very big subject. So after completing three basic subject, you will get a good subject, communication system. Then after EMFT, AC, analog electronics. So the major subject is covered here. So you will get good marks because network 3 is 5 to 7 marks, and EDC you will get 5 to 7 marks or 10 marks, sometimes 15 marks. It depends upon examination paper. On digital electronics like that, and general aptitude, communication, EMFT, and analog electronics. If you prepare some subject and if you left some subject, there is nothing matter. But if you complete all subject in 6 to 8 months, it is very good. If you prepare all this subject, it will be very good. If you prepare some specific subject, it is also good. But you have to prepare, you have to study signal system also, but in brief way, so that you can solve some basic question, some 10 marks question if you are getting in signal system. So you'll take 6 marks, 8 marks, you will get easily. But if you want to study in depth, then it will take time. Okay. Then after electrical planner, we'll give you the explanation, Varun sir.
Thank you, sir. So already sir told you about the electronics. I'm just highlighting a little bit that you can able to see that some of the classes are in the morning and some of the classes are in the evening. As already I have mentioned that since you are started the race in the like only 5 months are remaining, so you need to run faster. And even if you are able to give just uh, 5 months are there, so 1500 hours are needed for electrical electronics, and you can easily spend that much of time, okay, if you are really planning for gate. Now you need to first make your timetable along with the this lecture planner, because during the lecture planner you can just watch the videos, okay, and after watching the videos you need some times to practice on the questions also. So you need to make that planner that this is the time where I am going to watch the videos, and this is the time where I am going to solve the questions. Start with PYQs and move on towards the given questions to you in the different format like test series or in the format of DPPs. Let me show you about the electrical engineering for 2026 batch F. Network theory is going to be started from 20th of August. Yes, then next is your EMFT. EMFT is going to be dealt by Sonu sir, and it is going to be started from 2nd of September. It is going up to 20th of October. Digital electronics, general aptitude, power electronics, power system, electrical machine is going to start it from 31st of October. And then control system, verbal aptitude, measurement, engineering, mathematics, and signal and system. These subjects we have kept in the notify section. Why? Because as per the faculty availability, we will going to shift it in between this, okay? So your entire syllabus is going to be completed by the January. Your paper is in February, so it is going to be completed in the mid of the January. And you will be, you need to be ready for this, okay? Maybe we are going to complete it by December, but you keep in your mind that maybe you will be able to complete it till 15th of or 16th of January, okay? Still, the time is sufficient, but just you need to go through the number of question and question practice along with the concepts which you are getting in the classes. Try to solve, try to write each and everything, whatever we are taughting in class, in your main notes only. Don't make it a rough note and a soft note. One note, and the one particular note during the live class, you are making whatever note, that is your soft note. And the same notes you are going to utilize during your revision as well as for practicing any question. And if you want to see the theory, you can go with the notes only. Need not to watch the lectures again and again. Just try to watch the lecture once, make your notes properly. If you are unable to understand any concept, or if you are feeling you are stuck in some particular concept, then you can go with that particular portion in the video. And there is one very important function of the app I will going to show you. Before going to that, I'm just wanted to tell you about the faculties. So you can see this is the poster of great faculties, okay? So each and every faculty is best in the this GATE era. I can say in 2025-26, this is the best faculty pool you are going to get. So network is going to be started by Pankaj sir, okay? And Pankaj sir is from the electrical branch, so you will get the network very beautifully. Then Vinay sir is going to take care of your mathematics. D. Sathish sir is going to take care of your CAO for the electronics student, measurement for the electrical students. Chandan sir is going to take care of digital electronics as well as EDC part. Sonu Lal sir is going to take your communication or EMFT. Pankaj Singh sir, network is also taught by the Sonu sir. So network is also very important subject. And Sonu sir is one of the finest faculty available for GATE. And in this online platform, it is very advantageous to all of you that he is available on your phone screen. Okay. Pankaj Singh sir will take care of your control systems, signal and systems. Saket sir, communication system. Kamesh sir is going to take care of your analog and EDC part, one of the best teacher. And Ratan sir, every teacher is one of the best teacher. Some of the teachers are very close or nearby my heart, so I'm just taking the name again and again. Ratan sir, Ratan sir is going to take care of your aptitude part. Sapna ma'am is going to take care of your English and reasoning part. Ajay sir, your power system, power electronics and control systems too. Myself, I am famous for Machine Guru, the name given by the different students only. So I'm going to taught you electrical machine or digital electronics if required. Okay. Now come to the gate plan. So infinity plan is there. Gate plan, you are getting two different modes when you are, if you are still waiting to register, then this is very important slide for all of you. And those who want to upgrade and wanted to understand what is the difference between the regular and infinity, I'm just going to show you. In normal plan, live classes, recorded classes, whatever class is going on, maybe you are unable to watch that class at that particular time. Let us suppose 6 to 9. The class is available in all classes section where you can watch that class in the recorded form whenever you are free. Whenever you are free or you are wanted to watch. How many times you want, you can watch. There is no restriction. Okay. So the same live class is going to be the recorded version and it will be uploaded in the same section. Topic wise practice sheet with a video solution. Now see, this is very important and unique feature. What we are giving, we are not only giving practice sheet, we are also giving video solution. So video solution help you to understand the core concept of the particular question. Test also with video solution. The same concept is for the test series also. So this will give you a core concept. You are able to understand what is the core concept needed to solve that particular question. Okay, just not the formula that you are going again and again. Doubt solving is available. Now, Infinity will have a different features like Khajana. In Khajana, you are getting other teachers access also. Like if you want to watch digital and machine simultaneously to make your study little bit faster, you are available throughout the day, or Saturdays or Sundays you want to take one more subject, you can go with the Khazana. What happened? In the live, you are watching one subject, one difficult subject, which you must need to go with the live only, and one easy subject you can go with the recorded one. Okay. So this combination can just speed up your uh, syllabus. Okay. So you will be able to complete the syllabus on time, as well as you will get some buffer time for your revision part as well. GATE PYQ book you are getting along with the video solution. GATE test series, almost 60 test series are there. Soon as you are going to complete the subjects, you will be moving towards the subject-wise tests and then go to the topic-wise test and then subject-wise test. At the last, you are going with a full-length test. Mentorship and IGP plan is also available with the Infinity. Okay. So, exploring the batch. I'm moving back to Sonu sir. Sonu sir, please explain about the batch where the student will get important information or notification.
Okay, sir. Thank you. देखिए, so we have to first find out the Parakram 2.0 K22 batch F English. English is important because this name is also given in English batch also. In English batch, the teacher will teach you in Hindi and English, but in English batch, pure English. So for that people who does not understand Hindi, so I will tell that you have to select very properly the batch, because many people will give you the telegram message that I got Hindi batch, I got English batch. So be careful about that. You have to take, if you are specified with English batch, you have to take English batch. If you are specified with English batch, you have to take English batch, because this batch if you take with Khajana, that then it will be very less possibility to change. So I will tell you that you have to select proper batch first of all, so that you will get good concept, or good means you will get batch. So there is a search engine in that. Then after you will go through that all classes subject wise schedule, previous everything will be given here. Here notices will given here. So if you have any notice that this class is going on this time, this subject is starting from this time, so the notices will be provided here. Then after the starter kit will guide you how to access DPP, how to access video solution, how to access test series, everything they will give you through a starter kit. Then after network 3 subject, if network 3 is just started, so you will get all DPP solution, weekly test, and classroom video, and classroom PDF of that video PDF. You will get everything in this batch, all in this subject, only you will get everything. Then after electromagnetic theory, digital electronics, general aptitude, all subject wise. So you will get you will click in on this subject, you will get everything. Because many people will ask that sir, how to access DPP? From a starter kit you will know. Sir, how to access weekly test? From a starter kit you know. Sir, how to access network theory subject? So from a starter kit you know. So this starter kit video you have to see first of all very carefully, so that you will understand how to go through this app through for study. Okay. Then after PWR, the faculty demo class is also given here. If you want to check demo class, that how faculty is teaching, and if I'm comfortable with that or not, so you will select, you can go through the YouTube class also, or you can go through the demo lectures also. So in the app you will get demo lectures of every faculty. You will get the demo lecture, you will understand. If you are properly understanding, then you can follow this batch. You can buy the batch and you can go through the go for a study. Then after study material provided, so sir will tell you how the study material is provided and how it is beneficiary. So sir will explain you.
Thank you, sir. I just wanted, before going to the to answer sir's question, I just wanted to highlight once again. Please observe here how to find the test paper and answer. Most of the students are again asking again and again from the teacher, sir, where we will get the test paper, how we will get the video solution. So there is one pre recorded video which is uploaded here in the form of how to find test series and answers, new features and update note sections. This is also available in the form of recorded. Okay, you all are very techno sim. I know you all are highly I know you all are highly techno lover. Okay, so I need not to tell you about how to understand from the video. Oh, each and every of you are able to understand it by just watching the videos. Okay, so the videos are available in the pre-recorded form. Important updates are also available. Like most of the students who are watching needs a dark mode. So dark mode, what happens actually in dark mode now? There is a very low pressure on your eyes. So for the long lectures, it will be very helpful. Now come back to all classes and study materials will be provided under the subject sections. Like suppose if you are watching your mathematics. Okay, so there is your mathematics. In mathematics there is a chapter. In chapter you will get all the study material, and chapter 2 sections will be available. In study material you will get Gatopedia. Gatopedia is a summary of your entire gate preparation part. Like there are 10 subject if you are from electrical electronics. So 9 to 10 subjects whatever you are going to face in the gate exam, all will be available in a concise book format called Gatopedia. These Gatopedias are created uh, by us only, so by the faculties itself. So that is very useful because it's our short notes. Okay, now come back to the next part. All notes PDF DPP video solution will be provided in the attachment section under all chapters. You will be able to see the window, and in the window, all chapters and all lectures DPP, and there is a one attachment is here. Attachment will be represented like two paper symbols. So when you click over that two paper symbols, then only you will be able to see the DPP. Okay. So this is a new update, and you need to be very careful while observing this. I'm again repeating, the DPP will be available here. Okay. Similarly, notes section, DPP section, once you go to the attachment, once you go to the lecture attachment, you will get a different section like notes, DPP, PDF, and video solution. Among them, whatever you are looking for, you can go in that. Okay. Now, what kind of test or DPP will look onto the app? So DPP and their video solution will have when you download, it will be in the normal PDF format. You will try by yourself. If you are unable to solve the question, first try to observe the answer. And if you are unable to solve that answer, then go to the video solution. Don't just start with the video solution, because GATE exam is something in which you need to develop an approach to solve the questions. And only you can approach. We can just taught you the concepts. We can taught you how to connect the concept to solve any questions. But a new question is going to be asked in GATE. So you must be ready, and your approach should be developed. Like you can connect the concept and you can solve the questions. Okay. So this is very important. Someone is asking, sir, I am first year. Is 3-year course is available for GATE in English? Presently, we are just launching GATE 2026. This is a Parakram batch. I will tell you about, you need to follow Shrestha batch. It is not yet launched, but as soon as we are going to launch this Shrestha batch, you can enroll yourself. This batch is not much useful for you if you are in first year. But if you are in second year, third year, and you are going to attempt this year, then this will be very useful for you. Now come back to the doubt engine. So most of the students think that in online, how it is possible to get every doubt resolved. Minor to minor doubt will be resolved. Yes, it is possible. See, there will be when during the live class, you will get this kind of the slide map. Okay. So onto the slide map, even if we are teaching, you are unable to note down something, you can just go on to particular slide. Okay. Through the slide map. And onto the slide map, if you have any doubt, you can just ask in the live class as well as post class. You can ask that particular doubt. The doubt will be resolved in two different sections. First section will be goes to the SME. If you are not satisfied, then again that doubt will be goes to the faculty. Okay. Another way of directly connecting with the faculty is Telegram group. Each and every faculty is having a separate Telegram group of PW. So you can follow that group for that particular subject, and you can just on one-to-one, you will get a doubt clearance. Okay. Almost one-to-one, because onto the Telegram, it is possible to just record your message and ask. Okay. Now come back to this. Watch and suggest about the lectures. Mostly what happened, when the student watched the lecture, he found something very excited and he wanted to appreciate the teacher. He wanted to give his love to the teacher. So there is a possibility that you can give the ratings. Okay. So with the ratings, it is a great, like you can share your feedback. Not only teaching only. If you are facing any technical issue, then also you can just give the that particular problem over the notes. Okay. Now technical and app related. If we go to the technical and app related, what happened, sir? Where we will get the something in the app, like where to contact. So I'm going back to Sonu, sir. Sir, where to connect for the contact us? Like suppose if I have purchased some English batch need to be purchased, but unfortunately I have purchased English batch. Then where to connect?
So you can go through the app, PW app, and then after there is a, in last section, there is a contact section, contacts us. And in that section, you have to give your doubt. If doubt is resolved here, then you can give the feedback from here. If you have still have doubt or you still have some queries, then you can go for contact us. In contact us, you will get your chat with some AI, and then that resolution they will provide you. If they will not resolve, so then they will go through the some calling section or some other section. They will give you the message or email support mail. There is a support sector. there is a support section in the contact us, so you can give the mail to that support section. Then after they will give you the everything, they will clear your doubt, because mail is important. If it is not cleared by your chat, then you can give them mail, and through mail you can change your batch, or if you can do anything, if your app is not working, or if your some problem with your class, some lectures, anything, if you have a problem, you can mail them, or you can contact through this chat, if chat is not resolve your issues. Then after, there is a help section. In notices, you will go through that, there is a help section, and then after you will get the reach the support team. I told you, the support team, the payment issue, app issue, subscription issue, book issue, batch issue, any issue you have, you can go through that support section. Then after you can reach the support section, there is some other option also, that you will get the choose your appropriate option, and then after you will get your answer. Okay, then after, thank you for that. And I will tell you, if you have a good dedication for to study and to get crack gate, then it is sufficient time. If you have not dedication, not dedicated, then it will not for you. Simply I am saying, if you have a good dedication, good knowledge, good, you want to crack gate anyhow, then you can join, and then you can do your preparation. You will definitely crack it, because this time is not less, not more, it is average time. Okay, sir. Varun sir will tell you something.
So someone is asking about PSU and MTech. So it is totally solely depends upon your conditions. Some of the students are planning to go with the MTech in order to gain more knowledge towards the research program. And some students just wanted to go and do their jobs in some public sector units. Just they want some good handsome salary. So it totally depends, and it's a choice of yours, and also about your present financial conditions. Okay, so PSU versus MTech, I can just say that. If anything else you want to ask from the for this particular batch in which you have enrolled, just feel free to ask. I am live. And one more thing, see, I know most of you are start feeling the pressure. Those who wanted to attempt in 2026, just tell me over the onto the comment section. Are you feeling the pressure? Even post this lecture, or post this particular video also. If someone will have any doubt, feel free to put it into the comment section. Definitely, we will try to answer it. I know most of you are feeling the pressure for GATE 2026 because the time is very less and you have now enrolling. So there is some little bit doubt in your mind and you are feeling little bit pressure. Is it? Yes, it is. And it is good that you are feeling the pressure, because pressure, mostly this form of anxiety in your mind, encourages you to do more and more effort which is required for this exam. So it's not a bad thing that you are feeling some anxiety about the exam. You are feeling some anxiety about the duration left out. It is good for you. And don't lean over that ki, sir, maybe I am unable to do it. I know about your pressure. This is a time is less and you are feeling pressure. This pressure will going to give you a energy to give more efforts for the upcoming exam. It is in the past history, if we see the entire civilization, not only Indian civilization, entire world civilization. So mostly the development will be done in the most difficult circumstances and most difficult environment, under you can say under the life pressures. So I know you are feeling that pressure, and make it your weapon. Instead of getting discouraged, try to be encouraged as much as possible. So thank you everyone, lots of love. Thank you everyone. Good night.